Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello young artists, and welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're in for a treat. We'll learn how to draw an adorable ice cream stand that's as sweet as can be. But wait, there's more. As we draw in color, I've got a delightful story to share with you, the Great Ice Cream Stand Adventure. Once upon a time, in a small, sunny town, there was a magical ice cream stand called Sweet Delights. It was no ordinary ice cream stand, it was filled with enchantment and wonder. The owner of Sweet Delights was a kind and jolly woman named Mrs. Scoop. She had the special ability to make any ice cream flavor you could imagine. From strawberry swirls to bubblegum blasts, Mrs. Scoop could make it all. But what made her ice cream truly magical was that it could turn anyone's frown into a smile. One bright summer morning, a young girl named Lily and her little brother, Max, decided to visit Sweet Delights. Lily had heard all about the magical ice cream stand from her friends at school, and she couldn't wait to try it herself. As Lily and Max approached the stand, the sweet aroma of freshly baked waffle cones filled the air. They could hardly contain their excitement. Mrs. Scoop greeted them with a warm smile. "Welcome, dear children. What can I get for you today?" she asked. Lily and Max looked at the dazzling display of ice cream flavors. There were so many to choose from: chocolate fudge, cotton candy swirl, and even a flavor called galactic grape. Lily decided on a scoop of rainbow sherbet, while Max couldn't resist the allure of a scoop of mint chocolate chip. Mrs. Scoop worked her magic, and in no time, 2 glorious ice cream cones appeared. As Lily and Max took their first bites, they felt an incredible sensation. A wave of happiness washed over them, and their smiles grew wider and wider. It was as if all their worries had melted away with each lick of ice cream. But the magic didn't stop there. As Lily and Max savored their ice cream, they noticed something extraordinary happening around them. The entire park where Sweet Delights stood started to transform. Flowers bloomed in vivid colors, and the trees whispered melodies of joy. Birds chirped with glee, and even the clouds above seemed to dance. The whole world around them was coming to life. Mrs. Scoop chuckled, seeing the children's wonder. "You see, my dear, this ice cream isn't just delicious, it's filled with the magic of happiness." Lily and Max spent the entire day at the park, sharing laughter and ice cream with newfound friends. They played games, had picnics, and watched as the world around them continued to sparkle with happiness. As the sun began to set, Lily and Max thanked Mrs. Scoop for the most enchanting day of their lives. With hearts full of gratitude, they left Sweet Delights, knowing they had experienced something truly magical. And so, the legend of Sweet Delights and its magical ice cream stand lived on, bringing joy and happiness to everyone who visited. For in that little sunny town, they knew that sometimes a scoop of ice cream could turn an ordinary day into a truly extraordinary adventure. While we add colors, let's sing a cheerful rhyme about the ice cream stand together. At the ice cream stand, oh, what a sight! Colors so vibrant, a pure delight. Scoops of ice cream stacked up high. Underneath the bright blue sky. Ice cream, creamy and sweet. At the stand where flavors meet. Scoop it up, take a treat. At the ice cream stand, it's oh so neat. Strawberry, chocolate, and minty green. tastiest flavors you've ever seen. Waffle cones or cups to choose. Rainbow sprinkles, don't forget those. Ice cream, creamy and sweet. At the stand where flavors meet. Scoop it up, take a treat. At the ice cream stand, it's oh so neat. Kids in line, all full of cheer. Giggles and laughter, you can hear. Sharing moments, making friends. At the ice cream stand, joy never ends. Ice cream, creamy and sweet. At the stand where flavors meet. Scoop it up, take a treat. At the ice cream stand, it's oh so neat. As the sun begins to set. And the day starts to fade. Memories of the ice cream stand. In our hearts, they'll never fade. Ice cream, creamy and sweet. At the stand where flavors meet. Scoop it up, take a treat. At the ice cream stand, it's oh so neat. So, when you crave a chilly treat, and you hear the ice cream trucks beat, remember the stand with flavors so grand. The place where sweet memories are planned. And there you have it, a delightful ice cream stand. You've done an amazing job today, young artists. I hope you enjoyed our artistic adventure and the sweet story that unfolded. Remember, art is all about creating stories and sharing joy. You can create your own stories through your artwork, just like we did today. Don't forget to share your colorful creations with us. We'd love to see your ice cream stands and hear your creative stories. Thanks for joining us at Toddlers Art Hub. Until next time, happy drawing and coloring, my creative artists. And remember, just like Mrs. Scoop's ice cream stand, your art can bring happiness and delight to those around you. Keep spreading the joy. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.